Hi, my name is Sripriya Bhat. I'm from Bangalore and I'm a freelancer. I'm a website designer. And I used to do basic of SEO. So as we move ahead with times, I realized I had interest in digital marketing as well. But the digital marketing world was so large and the concepts were like, very huge in a lot of areas, so which I was not aware of. So I thought I wanted a practical experience which can help me in freelancing, not just the bookish way or theoretical way. I wanted some practical knowledge which can give me some insights to the digital marketing industry, along with my training. So I was looking for such courses online. So most of the courses came with prefix tools which worked if you were in that kind of a setup. But I am an individual who's doing freelancing, like I mentioned. So I thought I also happened to know one of person who was a part of Digital Vidya earlier. So I got to know the exact way of teaching and stuff like that. So that got me interested, and so I chose the CADMM course, which had sessions or lessons for all of the digital media concepts. So that's how I got into Digital Vidya. It has been good. It has been tough because some concepts are easy, but when you implement them, it is different. And of course, the online tools change. So you need to constantly be there and you have to update yourself. That's what I've learned. So it's not like you can relax and expect results. So I understand digital marketing is very demanding, but yeah, it has been very good in the sense I got to understand a lot of concepts in terms of marketing, how it works, the tools, the available tools, and how to use them. So because Digital Vidya has industry experts, who are teaching you some special classes, special courses. So we've got a lot of insights into the industry and, some helpful tools which we can use. So it has been a great journey.